What factors are driving the quickened factory price growth in China this July? The answer reveals surprising economic shifts that could impact global markets and your wallet. One major factor driving factory price growth in China this July is the sharp rise in raw material costs. Metals like steel and copper, along with coal and oil, have become more expensive due to supply constraints and increased global demand. This pushes manufacturers to raise prices to cover higher input expenses. The ripple effect starts with raw materials and extends through the entire supply chain, meaning factory prices go up faster than usual. Another key driver is the strong domestic demand in China. With the economy recovering steadily, consumer spending rose and infrastructure projects accelerated. This increased demand puts pressure on factories, allowing them to raise prices. When demand outpaces supply, prices climb quickly. This domestic momentum is a core reason factory prices grew faster in July compared to previous months. Energy prices also played a crucial role. Electricity costs rose in many provinces due to tighter supply and environmental policies limiting coal use. Fuel prices increased as well, adding to transportation and manufacturing expenses. These higher energy costs mean factories must charge more to keep operations running, contributing to the quickened growth in factory prices. Lastly, supply chain disruptions continue to affect factory prices. Delays in shipping, container shortages, and labor constraints have created bottlenecks. These issues reduce supply availability and increase costs for manufacturers. When supply tightens unexpectedly, prices naturally rise more quickly. This factor accelerated factory price growth in July alongside cost and demand pressures. In summary, the quickened factory price growth in China this July is driven by rising raw material and energy costs, strong domestic demand, and ongoing supply chain disruptions. These factors combined show how interconnected and sensitive China's manufacturing sector is. For daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.